I've been using this mask for 3 months, and today I'm sharing my thoughts and results, including photos, on the JOVS 4D laser light therapy mask. Don't look at me like that. If you know me at all, you know I'm a huge believer in the power of red light therapy. Of all the pro-aging devices and modalities, this is at the top of my list. It is clinically proven to help with wound healing and tissue repair. It boosts collagen production, calms redness and reduces inflammation. It repairs sun damage and discoloration. It helps hair growth. I mean, it's just a little miracle worker. So I've been using red light therapy almost daily now for years, and it's the one modality you pretty much will never see me without. However, this mask by JOVS is a bit different because it uses laser light, which differs from LED, and they say it's 6 times more effective. Now, in a nutshell, the lights are more targeted, they are more intense, and they go deeper into the skin. Now, I did an intro video about 3 months ago, and I will put a link to that here, as well as in the description box below if you want technical details, if you want to know why it works better than LED, and information about how the mask works. But today, I am sharing my results. First of all, I'll say it, I freaking love this thing. And here's why. Number one, I found it extremely comfortable to wear. There's almost something nice about how it kind of wraps around the face. It does not move. And I have quite a large variety of masks, and they kind of wobble, they slip down the face. Some don't even fit the shape of my face at all. So I usually have to lie down, which of course can sometimes be lovely, but sometimes I don't want to. But with this guy, I can roam around the house, I can do chores, I can hop up and down the stairs. It's like a little hug that stays put on your face. Now, I know this thing looks scary, but it doesn't feel scary. Now, however, if you're claustrophobic, I would say that this is not the mask for you. In fact, I wouldn't recommend a mask at all. Go get yourself a panel instead. Now, the other thing is I don't live in a hot climate, so this could be a little sweaty for those that do. I did not have a problem with it whatsoever. Reason number 2 is it just gets all of the areas of the face. It covers the nose and mouth. I don't understand why more masks aren't doing this. I just don't know. There's absolutely zero problem breathing here, and I know that I'm getting red light coverage where I don't generally get it with other masks. It's just fantastic. The third thing I really like about this is you don't actually see the lights. When you're wearing this mask, you see nothing but the world in front of you. It's wild. I have never had a mask that didn't omit some kind of light that kind of obstructed my view. Some people even like to wear goggles. I do not. But you do not need it with this mask. It's like it's completely contained. You just don't see anything at all. So it's comfortable, it's not intrusive, and I feel it's getting a lot of really good surface area. I mean, it's fantastic. So next we're going to have a look at the photos. But just as a quick aside, if you're enjoying this video, I would love if you would hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, but before we look at the photos, I do think it's important to talk about expectations, right? I have reasonable expectations when it comes to my devices. They're not miracle workers, guys. Actually, that's not entirely true. They can be when you start something for the first time, but this is definitely a long game, and I have been using red light therapy for years. Now, I can honestly say that the first time you introduce something like this into your routine, you will see a massive improvement after 3 months, even 6 months. Like, you will see an improvement. So to go from nothing to regular usage will deliver results. But I don't expect to see massive differences at this stage after using something for 3 months, right? Not LED light therapy. I want maintenance. I expect things just to not get worse. That's what I'm looking for. However, I was actually not expecting these results. So if you compare these two side by side after 3 months, there's an obvious improvement in the tone of my skin. So before it was quite red, but now it just looks so nice and even. And I also think that the texture is much more improved in the after photo. Look, I don't see any big reduction in my fine lines and wrinkles, but guys, I'm 53. And I think I'm looking pretty damn good. I don't have great expectations there, but I definitely feel that my skin looks better after 3 months. I have to say I was very pleasantly surprised. My skin looks healthy, and to me, that's the name of the game. I do think with prolonged usage, though, this is going to continue to build collagen. Perhaps I will see more results over time. As it helps to build ATP, there might just even be longer-term positive results. So the big question is, what do I think about this device? This is a serious piece of kit. It is expensive. And I'm by no means suggesting that you need to run out and get this. But if you're thinking about investing in this device, if you have the money and you need some reassurance, I'm here for you. I think this thing is freaking brilliant. I will absolutely continue to use this on a regular basis. I only wish they had one for the neck and the décolletage, because I think having that with the laser technology could probably give incredible benefits. Now, I have been using my other LED masks in this area, but I'd love to see what laser does for it there too. Oh, a panel would be nice. I'd love to see a laser panel. Anyway, if you're listening, JOVS, just want to let you know. So if you're interested, you guys, I do have a discount code. You are welcome to go and check it out for yourself. I can tell you I'm going to keep using it. There's absolutely no doubt about it. I think the skin looks great. The photographs are encouraging to me. I do have one small pointer. Now, I noticed over the course of the few months that I needed to sort of wear it tighter on the top than in the bottom, because it has a strap that goes across the top of the head and a strap that goes behind the neck. If I had it too tight on the bottom part of my face, it was never uncomfortable, but what I noticed is that it started to kind of drag my skin down a little bit. So what I determined was if I had it kind of tighter at the top and looser around my neck, there was no problem whatsoever. This thing is completely comfortable. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I mean, the results really surprised me. I feel like this was a huge success. So I do wonder, do you have any red light therapy in your routine? And if so, what device are you using? And if you made it this far, leave me a little light bulb emoji in the comments below. I'm always surprised when people actually make it to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.
A light bulb.
A light bulb, because it's a light. It's red light therapy.
Oh, look at you.
Uh-huh.